In our last video, we looked at how to get the cat to move 10 steps to the right. Now let's take a look and see some other things we can do with this. Let's say I want the cat to go and move into a square. I can do lots of things with that, but before I do that, I really want to change this 10 steps because it's not very much. I visually can't see it very well, so I want to make it bigger. So I'm going to go in here, and instead of 10, I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to say 100. So now it's going to move 100 steps every time that green flag's clicked. And let's just confirm that that works. You can see there's a much bigger change this time. So again, it's starting on the left-hand side of the stage, and it makes it all the way out to close to the center of the stage. So a lot bigger, a lot easier to see. Well, to make a square now, I moved directly over to the right one spot. Now I need to go down or up, depending on what I would choose to do. And to do that, I'm going to need to turn, because I want the cat to actually turn and make the square itself. So we're going to turn. And to turn in a box, we know that a square is made up of 90-degree corners. So I'm going to change that to 90 degrees. Now at this point when I run the program, it should make one side of the box and then turn. So let's try it. You can see you instantly went over there and turned. If I run this 3 more times, he should wind up back where we started. So I'm going to do that real quickly here. It's 1, 2, and 3. So my cat was able to go through and make a square very easily, but I had to click that green flag 4 times for it to happen. So let's kind of fix some things here and get it set up so that we can have it go, and when I hit it once, it goes all the way through. Right now, my next step that I want to do is I need to repeat this 3 more times to make it make the square. I could drag in all of those pieces and do that, but that takes a little bit of time. What I can actually do is have it copy and paste the same code that I already have. So I'm going to get rid of this one, and to get rid of any of these blocks, I'm just going to click, hold, and drag and bring them back outside. So now I can right click on my original move 100 steps, and I'm going to go to duplicate. That will give me another move 100 steps, and I can place that anywhere in the code. You notice there's a big white line that shows up, and that's telling me where exactly in the order of the code I'm placing it. So I'm going to put it at the end. And then I can right click and duplicate that whole thing. And now I have it happening 4 times. So move, turn, move, turn, move, turn, move, turn. Let's run through and make sure when I run this, my cat winds up back at the same spot. And it did, but the problem was that my cat never actually, I never got to see it move because the computer is so fast at doing that. So let's fix that. Over in the control area, I have a wait command. So I can have it wait after each time I do that. So now it's going to move 100 steps, turn and wait. Move 100 steps, turn and wait. And let's see what happens. So now you can really see that it went through. And if you pay attention to my code itself, you'll see that it's highlighted in white as I run the program. And as soon as the program's over, it will unhighlight. So that's a really easy way to get it set up, but we can make this simpler, and we'll do that in the next video.